So these are the three LED lights I have. They have three selectable color temperatures, 3000, 4000, and 5090 CRI. They're too bright. So I found a dimmer switch, but it doesn't work because it's basically comes on and goes off. So I don't think it's compatible. So I'm going to take that off, and I got a new dimmer switch. I have a new dimmer switch from Leviton, rocker style. That's this push button. It allows you to change the plate from white to light almond, which we have. So I'm going to switch that out. Take this cover off. You press here, pull forward, and it snaps out. And it went like this. This was the bottom where those tabs are. Guess they only go in one direction. So those slide up in here. And it snaps in. Okay. Connected to ground, two black wires. Make sure everything is tight, like it should be. Everything inside the little electric box is still functioning. Sometimes they degrade. The sides in. Tendency is to try to test it now, but I don't take any chances for the most part. I'm going to push it back in here, mount it, and then test it. I don't want to get shocked. Okay, light is off. This dimmer's all the way off on the bottom. And that's the lights are real dim. It works. So now we can decide how bright we want them. I'll slide it up. You can see it going up higher to full. Slide it slowly down. Okay, perfect. So I'd still have to go pull that down to change the color, one of the three colors, but at least it's not over bright. Nice. Bright all the way. That's bright all the way, and it's the lowest color. You can see how bright those can be. Have it tightened up. Let's put the faceplate back on, cover plate, whatever it's called. Here we go, final test, turn it on. Works perfectly. And that's about where we want a breakfast light in the morning. Right there. That's just nice. Not too bright. Awesome. Good products. Certainly improve the LED lights with the Leviton switch.